I'll go to the restaurant. I will go to the restaurant. In Italian, andrò al ristorante. Andrò al ristorante means I'll go to the restaurant. Here, andrò means I will go. Andrò, I'll go. Al ristorante, to the restaurant. Al ristorante, to the restaurant. Here, andrò al ristorante means I will go to the restaurant. We can slowly. Andrò al ristorante. I will go to the restaurant. Then, which food do you like? Which food do you like? In Italian, quale cibo ti piace? Quale cibo ti piace? Quale cibo ti piace means which food do you like? Here, quale means which, cibo means food, ti piace means you like. So we can say, quale cibo ti piace? Which food do you like? Quale cibo ti piace? Which food do you like? Then, can you show me the menu? Can you show me the menu? In Italian, può mostrarmi il menu. Può mostrarmi il menu means can you show me the menu? Here, può means can you. Mostrarmi means show me. Il menu means the menu. So we can say può mostrarmi il menu means can you show me the menu? Può mostrarmi il menu? Then, I'm vegetarian. I'm vegetarian. In Italian, sono vegetariano. Sono vegetariano means I'm vegetarian. Okay? I'm vegetarian in Italian. Sono vegetariano. Here, sono means am. Sono means am. Vegetariano means vegetarian. So we can say sono vegetariano means I'm vegetarian. I'm vegetarian. Okay? Sono vegetariano. Then, please bring some water. Please bring some water. In Italian, porti dell'acqua per favore. Porti dell'acqua per favore means please bring some water. Here, porti means bring. Porti means bring. Dell'acqua means some water. Per favore means please. So we can say porti dell'acqua per favore means please bring some water. Porti dell'acqua per favore. Then the bill please. The bill please. If you go to the restaurant, then you need to bill. So we can say the bill please in Italian. Il conto per favore. Il conto per favore means the bill please. Okay? Il conto per favore means the bill please. Here, il conto means the bill. Okay? Il conto means the bill. Per favore means please. So we can say il conto per favore. The bill please. Then the food is very tasty. The food is very tasty in Italian. Il cibo è molto giusto. Il cibo E molto giusto means the food is very tasty. Okay, the food is very tasty. Here, il cibo means the food. E means is, molto means very, giusto means tasty. So we can say il cibo è molto giusto. The food is very tasty. Il cibo è molto giusto. Then, what do you recommend? What do you recommend in Italian? Cosa mi consiglia? Cosa mi consiglia means what do you recommend? Okay, here cosa means what, mi consiglia means you recommend. Okay, so we can say cosa mi consiglia means what do you recommend? Okay, cosa mi consiglia. Okay, cosa mi consiglia. Then I would like to have a dessert. I would like to have a dessert in Italian. Vorrei prendere un dessert. Ok? Vorrei prendere un dessert. Here, vorrei means I would like. Vorrei means I would like. Prendere means to have. Un dessert means a dessert. So we can say vorrei prendere un dessert. I would like to have a dessert. Then, thank you for the food. Thank you for the food. In Italian, grazie per il cibo. Grazie per il cibo means thank you for the food. Thank you for the food. Grazie per il cibo. Here, grazie means thank you. Per means for. Il cibo means the food. So we can say grazie per il cibo. Grazie per il cibo. Thank you for the food.